Are you tired of slow, unreliable 3D printers that constantly clog and produce subpar results? Well, get ready, because the future of desktop 3D printing has arrived, and it's called the Creality K1C. This next-generation 3D printer is an absolute game-changer, packed with cutting-edge features that will revolutionize your creative process. Let's start with the blazing fast printing speeds, up to 600 millimeters per second. That's faster than almost any other 3D printer on the market. No more waiting around for your prints. The K1C will have your creations ready in a fraction of the time. But speed is nothing without reliability, and that's where the K1C really shines. Its direct drive extruder is designed to be completely clog-free, so you can print for hours on end without any frustrating interruptions. And it supports printing temperatures up to an incredible 300 degrees Celsius, allowing you to work with advanced materials like carbon fiber filament that were previously off-limits for home users. And the features don't stop there. The K1C also boasts automatic bed leveling, taking the guesswork and headaches out of that notoriously finicky process. Plus, it has a built-in AI camera that can detect issues during the print and pause the job if needed, ensuring each of your creations comes out perfect. All of this cutting-edge technology is packed into a compact, space-saving frame that measures just 8.66 x 8.66 x 9.84 inches. Whether you're printing tabletop miniatures, functional prototypes, or large-scale models, the Creality K1C has you covered. If you're ready to experience the future of 3D printing, head over to the links in the description to check out the Creality K1C and all the amazing accessories available. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more 3D printing tips, tutorials, and product reviews. The revolution starts now.